Hello students, welcome back. Let's go to exercise 5D. First main 14th problem. LCM. X minus 4 into x minus 1 plus x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to, this is 10 upon 3. Let us solve this. X minus 4 into x minus 1 is equal to what? X into x minus 1 minus 4 into x minus 1. X squared minus 5x plus 4. X squared minus 5x plus 4 plus x minus 2 into x minus 3. X minus 2 into x minus 3. X into x minus 3. Minus 2 into x minus 3. Minus minus plus. X squared minus 5x plus 6. X squared minus 5x plus 6 upon x minus 2 into x minus 4. X into x minus 4. Minus 2 into x minus 4. X squared minus 6x plus 8. X squared minus 6x plus 8. Let us cross multiply now. 3 into x square, this x square, 2x square. Minus 5x minus 5x minus 10x. 4 plus 6, 10. Is equal to 10 into x squared minus 6x plus 8. 6x square minus 30x plus 30 is equal to 10x square minus 60x plus 80. 6x square minus 10x square minus 4x square minus 30x plus 60x plus 30x plus 30 minus 80 minus 50 is equal to 0. Or 4x square minus 30x plus 50 is equal to 0. Let us divide all these numbers by 2. This becomes 2x squared minus 15x plus 25. 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0. A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 15, C is equal to 25. So x is equal to minus b, minus of minus 15, plus or minus square root of b square. 15 into 15 is equal to 225. Minus 15 into minus 15 is equal to plus 225. B squared minus 4ac. 4 into 25 is equal to 100. 100 into 2 is equal to 200. Upon 2a. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Plus 15. Plus or minus square root of 225 minus 200 is equal to 25. Square root of 25 is equal to 5 upon 4. 15 plus 5. 15 plus 5 upon 4. 15 minus 5 upon 4. 20 upon 4. 10 upon 4. So the roots are 5 or 10 upon 4 is equal to what? 5 upon 2. Second main first problem. We have to solve this equation for x and give the answer correct to one decimal place. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 8, C is equal to 5. X is equal to minus b, minus of minus 8, plus or minus square root of b square, minus 8 into minus 8, 64, minus 4ac, 20, 4 into 1 into 5, upon 2a, plus 8, plus or minus 64 minus 20 is equal to what? 44, square root of 44, upon 2. Square root of 44 is equal to what? 7 7s are 49. So let us take 6 6 are 36. Let us take this pair of zeros. 6 plus 6. 7 is more. So let us take 6. 6 6 are 36. 756. Now we have to find the answer correct to one decimal place. Let us see whether the next number is 5 or more than 5 or it is less than 5. Let us take 5. 126 plus 6 is equal to 132. Let us try for 5 now. 5 5s are. So this should be less than 5. So this cannot be increased by 1. So the square root of 44 is equal to 6.6. Plus 8 plus or minus 6.6 upon 2. So the roots are 8 plus 6.6 upon 2 or 8 minus 6.6 upon 2. This is 14.6 upon 2. This is 1.4 upon 2. 2 7s are 14, 2 3s are 6. 0.7. So the roots are 7.3 or 0.7. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 10, C is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square 100 minus 4ac. 4 5s are 20, 20 into minus 3 minus 60 upon 2a, 2 into 5 minus 10 plus or minus 100 plus 60, 160 square root correct to one decimal place. So 1 1s are 1, 0, 60, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 3 will be more. So let us take 2, 222 is equal to 44. Let us take pair of zeros. 22 plus 2 is equal to 24. Now what can we take? 7 7s are 6. This will be more. Let us try 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 4s are 24. 6 2s are 12 to 14. No, this is also more. So let us try 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. 5 2s are 10. $245 plus 5 is equal to 250. Now let us see whether the next number is equal to 5 or greater than 5 or less than 5. So 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25 2. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. So this will be more than 5. So let us increase 1 here. We have to approximate it up to one decimal place. So this is 12.6. 12.6 upon 10. So minus 10 plus 12.6 upon 10 is what? 2.6 upon 10. 0.26. We have to correct the answer to one decimal place. So this will be 0.3. One root will be 0.3. Minus 10 minus 12.6 upon 10. This is minus 22.6 upon 10. So 2.26 minus 2.26. Since it is more than 5, we can increase 1 here. Minus 2.3. So 0.3 and minus 2.3. These are the roots. Third main first problem, we have to solve this equation for x and we have to give the answer correct to 2 decimal places. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 10, c is equal to 5. So x is equal to minus b, minus of minus 10, plus or minus square root of b square, minus 10 into minus 10, 100, b squared minus 4ac, 4 to the 8, 8 5 is 40, upon 2a plus 10, 100 minus 40 is equal to 60. Let us find the square root of 60. 8 8 is 64, so 7 7 is 49. Let us add this. What can we take now? Let us try 8. So this is more, we can't take 8. Let us take 7. (147 plus 7 is equal to 154. Let us take another pair. Let us try for 4. Let us try 5 now. 5 5 is 25. This is more, so let us take 4. 6. So let us take another pair. 1544 plus 4, 1548. Let us see whether the next number is 5 or more than 5. Let us try 5. Yeah, 5 or more than 5. So we can make it 7.75. Correct to 2 decimal places. So 7.75. 7.75 upon 4. So 10 plus 7.75 upon 4. 17.75 upon 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 3 remains. 4 7s are. Correct to 2 decimal places. This is more than 5. So we can increase 1 here. 4.44. 1 root is equal to 4.44. 10 minus 7.75 is equal to what? This is 2.25 divided by 4. 0.45 is a 20. 4 6 are 24. 1 remains. 4 2s are. Correct to 2 decimal places. 0.56. We can't increase this one because this is less than 5. 0.56. X is equal to 4.44 and 0.56.